Alright, so on today's episode of Your Website Bothers Me, we got this here quicktag.com website. I was looking something on the old Google Maps, and I found a little pin on there for this quicktag thing, and I was like, what's that? So of course I clicked on it, and it's like, okay, this company's just dropping random tags on Google Maps, I guess. I don't know what's going on with that. So anyway, first thing I noticed here, you got this little Google top quality store thingy over here on the bottom left, and you got this accessibility thingy down here on the bottom right. They are at different distances from the bottom of the window, buddy. Now I know I am often told, like, my 5-year-old kid can build a website. I don't need you to do it. I doubt that's what happened here, but I'm just saying. I'm just saying. And it gets a little worse, because as you scroll down here, I notice. Did you notice? Let's scroll back up to the top. Keep your eye on the little accessibility icon here, which you gotta add an icon to a website for accessibility. No, you should know how to build a website accessible from the start. Anyway, just keep your eye on the little accessibility icon there. Do you see it? Do you see it? All right, maybe you don't see it. So that's why I got my little my dev tools open here. So you can go around and you can pick out the elements, right? And I'm going to show you the thing that you may or may not have seen. So you got your little accessibility object here, and if you just very slowly and very carefully, oh, look at this, we got another object right there behind it. That would be your back to top button being hidden by your accessibility icon. Are you for real? Who paid you to do? It's okay. I shouldn't be so mean. I got some anger issues. I'm working on it. If I was Mr. Hillman here, I don't know if I would actually want to put my name on this website right now. But you know what? That's probably just me.